WhatsApp status updates have become a popular way to share moments with friends and family. But what if you want to view someone's status without them knowing? In this video, I'll show you how to secretly view WhatsApp statuses using a simple trick, disabling read receipts. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and tap on the three vertical dots on the top right corner of your screen, then go to Settings. Step 2. Select Privacy. Step 3. Find Read Receipts, and toggle it off. Now, when you view someone's WhatsApp status, they won't be notified that you've seen it. However, keep in mind that disabling read receipts will also prevent you from seeing when others have read your messages. And there you have it. By disabling read receipts, you can secretly view WhatsApp statuses without alerting the person who posted them. Just remember to use this feature responsibly and respect others' privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.